Okay, we'll be constructing the molecule CH2, the Lewis structure. This equation right here will not work for this, and I'll explain why. But first, let's do it as if it would work. Alright, the number of bonds would tell us how many bonds this molecule should have. The electron demand is how many electrons each atom likes to have a noble gas configuration in its outer shell, like hydrogen likes to have 2 to be like helium, and carbon likes to have a total of 8 to be like neon. So if we did 8, 2, and 2, so 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So we'll write that as our demand. Minus our supply, which is how many valence electrons each atom can actually contribute to this molecule. So hydrogen is found in group 1. So that'll be 1 valence for each of those. Carbon is found in group 14. So that'll be 4 valence. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 is simply 6. So let me clean this up. So 12 minus 6, which is 6, divided by 2 will give us 3. Well, that wouldn't work because we know hydrogen can only form single bonds here. So if we formed a double bond, that would be breaking the do-it rule, so we can't do that. And we can't put another bond here to make 3, so that won't work. And we can't put a bond over here because there's no atom here. So what would we do? We would simply ignore this equation and just know how many electrons we have in our supply. So in a single bond, we have 2 electrons. So 2 and 2 is 4 electrons. So 6 minus 4 gives us 2. We only have 2 electrons remaining, and we can't put them here, and we can't put them here, so the only place to put them would be on the carbon. So this is what our Lewis structure would look like. Now we can check the formal charges by doing this formula. So we'll take the valence electrons of carbon, which is 4, because it's found in group 14, minus the non-bonding, which is 1, 2, plus the number of bonds. We have 2 single bonds, 1, 2. So it'll be 4 minus 2 plus 2 in parentheses, which gives us 0. Hydrogen has 1 valence because it's found in group 1 and has 0 non-bonding and has a single bond, so it'll be 1 minus 1, which is 0. And this is the same thing goes for any of these hydrogens because they have the same, only a single bond, so it's also going to be 0. So there's no formal charge. This is the correct Lewis structure for CH2. Hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.